Morning exercise for today, Holy Wednesday. Ayan, magsipag simba. And manahimik sa loob ng bahay. Wala po tayong lumabas para safe po tayong lahat. Mag-exercise na lang po kayo, kagaya ko. Hehehe. Ayan, exercise din tayo. Pag may time, kailangan natin yan for good health. Together, that I'm sheltered by your heart, but in and outside, I turn to water like a teardrops in your arms, and it's so hard. Winter's day, I dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good that I love you somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows. Dun, dun, dun. It must have been love, but so for now. You're so very good, but I lost you somehow. It must have been love, but so for now. But so for now. It's all that I want, that I need you down. But so for now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows.
Bisang dyan!
Ayan, kanta-kanta din tayo pag may time habang nag-exercise para masaya ang buhay. Panoorin nyo na ang aking video. Maraming salamat sa support, for always supporting and watching my video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Watching, follow me and subscribe.